Alright, let's start painting now. First we're going to paint the sky first using the brush preset that we just created. So click the sky brush, make sure that's selected. I'm going to close that. And then paint over the sky, moving in close to the trees. Because we're using a dry brush, the blue paint isn't mixing with the colors beneath it. So oops, got my tree there. My advice to you, do this a little bit at a time so you're not like me, where I felt like I messed up and I wanted to redo things. So every now and then let go of your mouse so you're only doing little things at a time. So if you do Command Z or Control Z to undo what you just did, you're not having to undo and redo a lot of things. This is so much fun. Always wanted to be a painter. I'm painting. And I'm not making a mess. I'm not getting dirty. I'm not getting paint on my cat or anybody else. Alright. Voila. There. Done. Alright, so now we're going to select the clouds brush. There's the clouds brush. And we're going to use that brush to scrub diagonally in the upper right corner, blending the two colors with the background color. So everybody's is going to be a little bit different. So just go in and get you some clouds that you got on your screen. Everybody's clouds will be different. So I'm perfectly happy with my clouds now. So when you're satisfied with the sky, we're going to move on to the grass and the trees. So select the green grass highlight brush. Green grass highlight brush. And then we're going to paint short vertical strokes over the darker green grass areas so they become bright. So it's talking about these. I am a fantastic painter. It is pretty cool though. They should be up and down, not cattywampus sideways like mine. I guess the wind was blowing. Alright, once you're satisfied with that, let me ask you a quick question. How do you create a new brush preset? You choose new brush preset from the brushes panel menu, silly. Alright, so select the foreground tree brush, and paint the darker areas of the tree. So we're going to paint these darker areas of the tree. Whoa, kind of got outside the lines there, but that's okay. That's okay. Do a better job than me. It's all I ask. Do better than me. Some of y'all are going to really do well on this. Some of yours is going to look like mine, which I look like a second grader painted mine. That's okay. I don't mind. You can criticize. You can do what you need to do. Whatever you need to do to feel better. Alright, I'm going to say I'm done here. And now we're going to select the background trees. And we're going to paint the two smaller trees over here. Alright, and then we're going to select the tree highlights brush and paint the lighter areas of the trees. And if you'll notice, these are wet brushes, so it's blending colors. So we're going to blend colors with these. Beautiful. Just lovely. Alright. So far, so good. The brown grasses are all that remain to be painted. Select the brown grass brush. Paint along the brown grass up and down for the look of a field. So up and down. I hope y'all can't hear me grunting as I'm doing this. Alright. Use the same brush to paint the trunk of the tree. Let's get this tree color right here. Alright, select the foreground grass brush. Then paint using diagonal strokes to blend the colors in the grass. Masterpiece, I would say this is. I don't know what you would call it, but anyway. So, once you've done all that, we're going to click File and Save. Hopefully yours looks a little better than mine. And just like that, we've created a masterpiece with our paints and brushes. And the best part about it, there's no mess to clean up. So, quick question. What brush should you use to prevent newly applied paint from mixing with the colors beneath it? That would be a dry brush. Next question. To create less jittery strokes with the mixer brush, what should you do? We should increase the set smoothing for stroke percentage. That would do that. And which of these is a choice when using paint symmetry brush options? Is it single axis, dual axis, vertical, or all of those? Correct answer, all of those. So, congratulations, you have completed lesson 10 using paint brushes.